This is one of the examples that comes with the QScript library. As you can see, we have two helicopters flying over an airfield. What might not be obvious is that they are both scripted objects, which means that the flight path of the blue helicopter is in fact determined by an algorithm written in QScript. If we move the mouse over the upper part of the sketch, we see the control panel for entering and editing the scripts. The panel and its controls are created using the G4P library. The editor is showing the algorithm used to control the blue helicopter. So in the first line we see the reset method, which is used to initialize the helicopter's position and heading. Reset is the first of three user-defined operators that have been added to the library. It is a function that requires four parameters. The first parameter is the variable identifier for a helicopter, in this case helo. I have used the same identifier for both helicopters, but since every helicopter has its own independent script, this does not cause any confusion. It does mean that I can write a script that could be used by any helicopter. The second and third parameters are the X and Y screen coordinates for the helicopter, and the last one is the direction the helicopter should face. Note the angle is in degrees. Here we declare a variable called n and initialize its value to 1,000,000. The next instruction is repeat and marks the beginning of the loop. Here there are two statements, but since they are on the same line they must be separated by a semicolon. The first moves the helicopter forward by 3.5 pixels, followed by a clockwise turn of 1 degree. The next line will cause the helicopter to rotate a full 360 degrees on the spot every 257 degrees. Finally, we decrement n by 1 and continue the loop until n reaches 0. So now we are going to add a script that moves the gold helicopter in a box pattern. If we move the mouse up to get the control panel, the two option buttons at the top allow us to select which script to see. So if we click on gold, we can see the helicopter doesn't have any script yet. So let's add the script. We click over here. The first instruction will be a reset to position the gold helicopter towards the bottom left hand corner. So we'll have reset helo 150 for the X and 450 for the Y, and we'll have it facing towards the right hand side of the screen, that's 0 degrees. Then we're going to have an infinite loop, and to do that we're going to use a while when construct. So while true, we'll move the helo 300 pixels and then turn it anti-clockwise by 90 degrees, and we'll finish the loop with the when statement. So there we are, there's our script. All we need to do now is to apply it to the gold. So we click on this button here and it will be applied to the gold helicopter, and away we go.